Beautiful pool home in move-in condition. Garage has been converted to an enlarged second bedroom. Roof is just 4 years old. Screen pool has been refinished, using salt instead of chlorine. Smooth paver patio. New sliding patio doors. Renovated bathrooms. New flat top range. New refrigerator west bottom freezer. Vaulted ceilings west ceiling fans in every room. Wooden tile floors. Second bedroom has carpet. Freshly painted inside. Neat, clean and ready. Gorgeous curb appeal with lush and flowery plantings. Coral Bay is a beautiful gated community close to all travel highways, shopping, restaurants, schools,